Isigcawu sekhomishana kaMadlanga siqale ngokulalela izikhalo zabameli bakaGeneral Senona abazwakalise ukukhathazeka ngokungaphathwa kahle kwekhasimende labo kulesi sigcawu. USenona ubesebhekana nemibuzo enzima mayelana neqhaza lakhe ngezidakamizwa ezanyamalala ngendlela engaqondakali ehhovisi lamaHawks ePortshepstone. Ngokobufakazi phambi kwekhomishana, uSenona wayalela ukuthi lezi zidakamizwa ezashaqwa isiphingo zithuthelwe ePortshepstone nokwakuyindawo engaphephile ngaphandle kokulandela imigomo efanele.
At no stage were the security concerns at Potchefstroom brought to my attention prior to the storage of these drugs there.
Ezinsolweni ezenziwe uwarrant officer Carl Sander zokuthi wamsusa ophikweni olulwa nezidakamizwa ngaphandle kwencazelo nathi kwakuyindlela yokumvala umlomo, uSenona usichaze njengamampungela ezinsolo.
There was a serious allegations of warrant officer Sander and other members involved in the theft of cocaine at the harbour and selling it to a specific gang. I'm just worried to say names of other people that never came here, because the last time I was caused to say certain names, and I'm on litigation for your information, Commissioner.
uSenona ulandisa ikhomishana komzima athi ubhekane nabo ngemuva kokwethula ubufakazi kule khomishana, uthi wakhishwa ngesankahle ehhovisi lakhe ekhonjwe ngesibhamu.
I was taken out of my office like somebody, I don't know, for lack of a better word, like a dog. And that thing is still a pain here. And it cost me to lie in hospital for 2 weeks.
Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.